Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Topper with me. So in last video we learned some basics of tissues. So today we will see the plant tissues. Okay, so tissues are of two types, animal tissue and plant tissue. So today we will take a look at plant tissue. Okay, so there are two types of plant tissues, meristematic tissue and permanent tissues. Okay, so meristematic tissue is basically tissues that are used for growth. So whenever tissues are growing, whenever plant tissues are growing, at that stage it's called meristematic tissue. Okay, similarly in permanent tissue, growth is completed. So whenever meristematic tissues is growing, at the end, when growth is completed, it is known as permanent tissues. So meristematic tissues means growing tissues, growth is happening over here, and permanent tissues means growth is completed here. So there are three parts of meristematic tissues: apical, lateral and intercalary. And there are two parts of permanent tissues: simple and complex. So there are two parts again of complex, it is phloem and xylem. Okay, and there are four parts of simple tissue, it is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma and protective. So we will learn in deep about all of this. So this is a graph about plant tissues. Okay, now let us learn about meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues, these tissues have ability to divide themselves, thereby providing growth to the plants. Now the meristematic tissues have the ability to divide themselves. Okay, so remember this point that they have ability to divide themselves and they provide growth to the plants. These are the 2 points you have to remember in meristematic tissue. So there are three parts of meristematic tissues. They are apical, lateral and intercalary. Okay, so apical means top. Okay, apical means top, remember this small words. Lateral means at the side and intercalary means on the branches. Okay, apical means on top, lateral means at the side and intercalary means on branches. This is the diagram of meristematic tissue. So here lateral is present, over here intercalary is present, and on the tip of the plant apical is present. Okay, so now apical is used for increasing height. Okay, remember this, apical means top, so increasing height, of course this will increase our height of the plant. Lateral means increasing width, so this will increase the width of the plant. Okay, apical means increasing height, lateral means increasing width, width means breadth, this increasing breadth. So this diagram is location of meristematic tissue in plant body. Okay. So now apical. Apical is present at the tip of the plant stem or root. So apical is present on the tip of the plant stem or root. Okay. At the stem or root, apical is present. It helps the plant to grow at length. So apical, as I said before, it helps the plant to grow at length. Okay, now lateral, it helps to increase thickness of the stem and root in the plants. So now lateral helps to increase thickness of the stem and root in the plants. Okay, apical for length, lateral for thickness. Now intercalary, present at the base of the leaves or internodes of twigs, present at the base of the leaves. Okay, present at the base of the leaves and or internodes on twigs. So let us look at the diagram and understand it properly. So this is the diagram. This is antenode, this one. Okay, this is intercalary. Intercalary is here, this one, and nodes, this is nodes, this is nodes, and here a little light shade is intercalary. Okay, intercalary increase height of antenode. So intercalary helps to increase height of antenode. So over here you can see the height of antenode is increased in this diagram. Okay, so this was it for this video. Do like, share with your friends and comment down if you are having any doubt. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.